Is your CRM's raw data giving you a headache? And what about reports that you want to see displayed simply? Well, the Report Series Dashlet could be what you're looking for. Let me show you. To see your data in Sugar, you need to either look at the raw data or create a report. When you want to see a small piece of information that you use commonly, like for example the number of emails that you sent through your Sugar system that day, looking through reports can be a little bit cumbersome. However, there is an add-on that can take your data, put it into a dashlet, and show you it in plain sight. It's called the Report Series Dashlet, and it's exactly what you need for keeping your stats simple. The add-on takes the data from a report and places it in a large plain text dashlet. Display your team's stats for the week for certain metrics and track them. Or take your own stats from the day and put them all into a dashboard for straightforward stats tracking. You can use as many as you want, made from simple reports too. Simply create a report of the metric you want, like the number of calls you've made today, then create the dashlet pointing to the report. You can add targets too that will turn the metric green once hit in your linked report. The dashlets update frequently, so you'll know how you're doing in almost real time. Any dashboard can accommodate them, from the sidebar to a full home dashboard. It's also a great tool for those looking at ways to make their data more accessible. If you're looking for performance stats for your help desk team or your inbound customer service team, for example, the Report Series Dashlet could be exactly what you need. You can find details of Enable's Report Series Dashlet add-on via our Sugar Outfitters page, a link of which is in the description accompanying this video. And if you have any further questions regarding the add-on, feel free to leave us a comment in the comments below. It's also available as part of Enable's current add-ons offer, which means it's available to you for free for the first year. More details of that can be found in this video up here. That's all we have for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.